Mesa County Noxious Weed and Pest is providing an update on the Clifton Nature Park, Ponds, Frisbee Golf Course drill seeding event. We actually are starting to see some germination from slender wheatgrass and some western wheatgrass germinating already. We're super happy that we received a good amount of precipitation this year. Just makes my life a little bit easier. So we're providing this restoration effort to allow people to see what a natural area could have looked like in the past. We're doing that by essentially seeding with native grasses first, and then once we are able to get rid of all those highly competitive non-native species like Russian knapweed, tamarisk, and the lot, we're looking at doing some more plantings of forbs like Colorado 4 o'clock, scarlet gilia, and penstemon in there. We're super happy, we're super thankful as well that we received this grant money to provide the drill seeding and treat those noxious weeds at the Clifton Nature Park area. And we're really hoping to see some better germination even closer to this fall and winter, because about 3/4 of the seed mix was actually winter-germinating plants. And so we'll see a lot more of sand drop seed, blue grama, things like that germinating this winter as well. The whole park is reopened, and people are free to re-enter the area and play Frisbee golf course.